What is going on, J. Crew? I'm still getting over what's felt. But let's figure out what's going on with this truck. Let's figure out what's making her tick. That's the kid. He's a fool. But let's figure out what's making her tick. So what we're gonna have to start with is taking these bolts right here off. Oh, let me shut the cover off. Alright, so the best way to go about this is taking the valve cover gasket off. And the best way I can do that is probably taking the whole coil pack thing off right here. Take that whole thing off, take these wires off, unbolt it from the valve cover gasket, and then we'll be golden. I'm gonna have to figure out, okay, there's nothing holding that on, so we should be fine with that. So let's see what's under this valve cover gasket. Let's see which one ticker is tick-tocking. So yeah. Alright, so I should unplug the battery, shouldn't I? Nah. I'll just unplug this. There's multiple times on my other Suburban that I had the barn doors with. Luckily, all right, so now let's get these off. Come on. And then there's another one back there. So let's get that. All right, so got the last bolt back there off. Now, just do this. This is very clever of GM. This is pretty neat. So, yeah, that's that. This is the coil packs. And now you can see there's 3 bolts for the valve cover gasket, and we're gonna take that off and go from there. All right, so I got a big 8 right here. It's not ideal, but get the work done. All right, that was a pain to get open, but it's open now. Oh, we're in, everybody. Whew. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Whew. I'm excited. Let's see which one is which. Let me zoom y'all in. Okay. Let's start from the front. Okay. 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 Those got play in it on that side. So what I might have to do is crank it up and see which one isn't. Which one isn't? What y'all? Okay, I'm definitely let me crank it up and see which one isn't cooperating. So I got it. Everything pretty much hooked up just to test it. So I start it up. I have a question. Is it me, or there's no oil getting up to this right here? I see oil getting to those right there, but there's no oil getting to that one. I think I found the problem, everybody. So I'm pointing more towards the oil pickup tube. No. So this one isn't getting oil. It's right here. This is getting oil. Now it is, but at first it wasn't. That one too, look at that. That one too. This one right here. Oil has stopped coming through. Now it's like, I think that's an oil pickup tube. Shut it off for that oil. Shut it off. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. This is weird. I think I found the problem. Alright, so I got you guys on the tripod right now. And I got a blue towel right there that's wet. So the oil won't get on there. That's why you hear the hissing. So what I'm going to do, because I'm more pointed towards this one right here. But I'm going to show what it's doing. When I shut it off, it like squirt oil. I guess that's what it's supposed to do. But let me show you. See, those two right there isn't getting oil, seem like. See? You heard that? I want to know what that can be. Maybe that is the reason why when I usually shut it off, and then it builds up pressure, like oil. And then it stopped ticking. So what my theory is that when it's ticking, when I shut it off, I always thought that when I crank it back up, I always thought that the oil was getting back to those. But apparently it seems like when you shut it off, it's pushing oil out. So let me show you again. See that? I'm onto something. And none of the, it seemed like none of the rockers have any play in it as well. So I'm gonna shut it, like I'm gonna let it cool off and come back to it in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna show you those two right there and show you what I mean that it's not getting oil like the other two. All right, I'll try to zoom out. Yeah, you see that one is getting oil like it's supposed to. So it got to be that one. See, now it seems like it's building up pressure. Cause that was a lot of oil that just popped up. Except for this one, like. See, all of them seem like tighten. They all seem tighten. So comment down below, tell me what you think. So so what I'm thinking that now, since I see that, I don't think I have to buy a crate engine or get this engine right here rebuilt. I'm probably just gonna have to get the oil pickup tube done, the piston push rod. So I'm gonna dig deeper into that, because when you crank it up, oil is getting to all of the other rockers except for, was it these two right here? These two, I think. And then later on, this one right here gets oil, but this one right here doesn't get oil at all. This one right here doesn't get oil. This one gets oil after a minute, but I think I'm gonna try to replace the push rod in the rocker arm and see what happens. Well, otherwise it's running still. I'm glad I diagnosed that. So the what's that thing is? The crate engine is off the books now. So maybe just get this side done up on the truck, get the oil pickup tube done, and we'll be golden. So yeah, please, I'm gonna post like a short video in the group that I'm in, and I'm gonna see what their options is, like what they think. But more leaning towards the oil pickup tube, like I said, and the rocker arm and the push rod. So let me put all this back together and close out the video. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And I will see you guys next year. And thanks for watching.